Hi, say cheers. Cheers. Hello. Hi, little champ.
This is our car. It can run as fast as the aeroplane and it can tell weather and routes anywhere and it can go as fast as the aeroplane and it can go faster than anything in the whole world.
Wow, great, yeah.
And also SOS and roadside and also
You should take a shot from here. यहाँ से लो एक मिनट देख के ना यहाँ ले लो बड़ी अच्छी आ रही है. Hi. Okay, so we have.
Gurpreet, I am Gurpreet.
Hi, Gurpreet. So
This is my STK.
okay.
I bought it in June this year.
By first thing first, okay.
Yes.
Before we proceed, you gotta look at this. Such a beauty, you know. Honestly, when Gurpreet first came to our group, I was boggled over. You know, he has really beautiful lois and very tastefully done. You know, all the treatments. Also, you can see the red lining over there. So neatly done, and even the calipers also, right?
Yeah.
You got them painted.
Yes, I got them painted. Though it's the small mismatch in the color, but
Yeah.
that cannot be done.
But honestly, it is a very neat job done. Where did you get it done from?
I got it done from one of my known friends in Karol Bagh.
Yeah. Here the entire disc has been. He has done it from Karol Bagh. So here the entire disc has been done. Even you have got this one black painted, right? The alloys, or
No,
it
this
was
is-
already
this is-
done actually.
This was the finish.
Yeah. So and then he has done a
A small
treatment.
taping of
Yeah.
match up with the alloys
Yeah,
all
he,
over the car.
yeah, he has done it so well. Yeah, actually, he has done it so
Because I
well.
had to some sort of matching to
Yeah.
enhance the red part of the car.
Yeah. So let's go about it. So how much have you driven so far?
It's only 1600 still now.
Okay.
Hoping to have a long drive this month.
uh,
Other than the foot mats, I haven't installed anything yet.
okay.
Nothing else because I don't want any labor class to work inside
Yeah.
the car till the Kona
So,
thing ends.
so this is that 40,
It's a
70,
70 sort of
yeah.
thing.
And I think you've done it in the boot also, no?
No, no, no. not
Achha,
in-
sirf here only, okay. And very well kept.
And this is the June edition, so I got that brake assist with it.
Achha.
When you press hard braking at above 50 speed,
Okay.
all the lights behind will flash.
Achha, that's good, yeah. So that's the new feature.
Yeah. And one feature which is very annoying is that lock sound.
Yeah.
It's the main horn.
Achha.
So it makes a lot of noise when I'm in a parking. Actually, I park in a inside parking.
It's a bit
garage.
loud actually. Yeah, but then you can turn it off also.
Yes, but I have. There has to be some sort of notification
Feedback, yeah.
that a car is locked.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, of course it is there. You can just press both the
Yes.
lock and unlock together. So overall, how's your experience?
Experience is good. There is no noise inside the cabin. Even if you rev it till 3500.
He was really pushing hard. You know, I was having tough time. Catching him up. Yeah, I have a GT line, but then he was really going on the expressway. I was like,
Yeah. This was the first ride on the highway, so
uh,
with this car, so I thought just try it.
yeah,
How stable it is.
yes.
So till I crossed 160 and it was pretty stable.
Oh, okay. So yeah,
But then you have
160.
to push it. It's a ST line. You have to push it hard
Yeah.
to get
So,
the.
so how much? Most of the people they ask about mileage, but other than mileage, what is there on your mind? What do you like about the car?
The best part is if you're in a traffic, stuck in a traffic, and the speed range is between 40 to 60, you don't have to downshift every time to second gear or third
Absolutely,
gear.
absolutely.
If you're moving in a fourth gear or even a fifth gear, just press a throttle and it will get moving.
Yes.
You don't have to wait for the pickup to.
Yeah. So that's one of the good things that
Yes,
I
that's
also
really
like.
good. Yes,
When you have to just cross a vehicle, you don't have to downshift actually. So, okay, what else? That's a good observation, yeah.
And suspension, people say it's hard. But yes, if it's a bumpy road, it will hard. Otherwise, it gives a good
Yeah.
stability, especially when you have
Especially
to.
on the highways also,
and also
when you are maneuvering actually.
yes, and
It gives you that feedback.
correct. Also, it doesn't go anywhere else. It's just the way you want to keep the car, it will direct towards that.
Okay. What else?
Other than that, average is also fine.
Yeah.
The city is giving me around 12 to 13.
Okay. Hmm.
because I stay in Karol Bagh, so
Yeah, it
you know
is
the traffic.
congested, you know. Most of the time, you are just see. Most of the people need to understand mileage is very, I would say, subjective. Why? Because it depends upon the traffic conditions. So if you're
Also-
going to stuck in on a road for more than an hour, you're not going to get any mileage out of it. So in general, Kia Seltos is a good mileage car. But then, what is the expectations? I mean, we can't have more than 20s and 25s.
expectation is anything between 13 to 15 is good for me.
Yeah. Did you make any specific measurements today? Like how much did you get?
Yeah, it was 17. It was showing. Though
For
I
how many
crossed,
kilometers? From Krolbag itself? Okay, you started up actually.
So for 91 kilometers, you can show. It's showing at
So-
17.
So there you can see for 91 kilometers it's showing 17. My gosh. It's really doing so well, yeah. Come on, guys. And he was way,
Pushing the car.
way past 100 actually. He was amongst in our group, he was amongst the front runners. So getting a mileage of 17, it's amazing, yeah. It's
And I
amazing.
enjoyed the ride.
Yeah.
I didn't compromise on. I have
Yeah.
to get average. I didn't.
No. See, ultimately you have to enjoy the car. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
And you really can push this car. Though I haven't tested in the hills, but I think I'm very much confident this will survive.
Yeah, absolutely. It is. You're not going to need more power than this actually. So wonderful. Thank you, Gurpreet.
Thank you.
Hi guys. So we have Vinayak over here, and he has a GT line DCT model.
Yeah, this is GTX 70 CT.
Okay. So how many kilometers have you driven so far?
We have just crossed 10,000 last week and
Oh, wow.
got the
Mala,
full service done.
I feel so. Kind of. I have my car has not gone beyond 4,500,
Yeah,
and I was amongst the first guys to buy. When did you buy?
we bought in December last year.
Oh, mine was in September. Yeah.
Okay.
So really good. So how is the experience so far?
I think one can't complain anything about this car.
Yeah.
Mileage is very, very good.
Yeah.
More than what I'd expected from an automatic.
Are you-
Recently we had gone to Chandigarh. I
Okay.
got almost 18 plus on the highway
Acha.
with a partial cruise in between.
Okay.
And otherwise, service is also, I think, very, very reasonable. At my third service, including everything, I think I was very, very happy with what they did. And
Okay.
No complaints whatsoever.
So how's you have a dual tone, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, wonderful. So see how
In fact,
lovely it looks.
For the dual tone and the black interiors, we chose this and not the plus one.
Hmm.
At that time, the plus did not have the black interiors.
Okay.
If you want to take a look at it.
So you got some accessories or interiors or something done also?
Luckily, this was almost a fully loaded model. So I'll show you a couple of small things we got. One is
So there is Lord Ganesha.
yes, that's
inside.
from the company.
That's good.
And this little organizer we got here.
Oh,
basically
wonderful.
For the little
Ah.
champ to put his bottles and stuff on it.
Yeah. So he has his mini. What is it? Bugatti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think that one is a Ferrari.
Yeah.
Cars are his passion, as you can see.
Yeah.
We got,
You have a
the Kia
Jupasu.
Duster.
This is a Kia one.
yeah.
Okay.
This I got from the
So
showroom.
Kia has also started giving this. Good, yeah.
It's similar to the one you
Jupasu,
have.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And this boot man.
Boatman, yeah. So pretty neat and clean, yeah.
That was recently serviced. So
Yeah.
I
Very
would
nice.
give credit to
So today you drove from almost like 100 kilometers probably.
Yeah, we have done around 46 kilometers from where we met.
So is it showing some mileage?
Yeah, it's giving me 16.2.
So he was driving, I think probably more than 100 at
Yeah,
times.
we're going on an average 120.
And this is DCT. So somebody who wants to really doubt, this is on the face. You can see DCT giving such a wonderful mileage.
Mileage is not an issue, and I
Yeah.
should say most importantly, I've not had a single heating issue ever.
Yeah.
So
Actually,
whatever
heating
people
issue
say-
was mostly in the initial phase only when the settings were a little bit, low.
Yeah.
So they later on they changed the settings in the software setup.
Yeah.
So they were doing good. So lovely, Vinayak.
Thank
So
you.
let's come on to now Pallav. Okay, he is our old timer of the group. Oh. So we have some bikers also coming here. Yeah.
So I have like STK model.
Okay. So he has HTK.
Yeah. So initially, like I've made 3-4 changes. Initially, I booked STK plus, then I changed it to STX also. also, and then
Okay.
later changed to STK because that was the one which was available after 3 months of wait. So
Yeah.
I don't want to wait anymore, so I went for this model.
Okay.
Quite happy so far. Just missed that like just with one more lakh I could have gone for STK Plus with
Okay.
a lot more features, which I definitely missed in this STK. I got the alloys from the company.
Okay.
Which don't come with STK.
Hmm.
And then I also got some side bidding, chrome bidding.
So we have this corner bumper protectors also, and then so this also you got it done.
Yeah,
Okay.
chrome bidding on the back side as
And
well.
then these are iPop door protectors as well, and yeah, wonderful kept cabin as well. So I see you have a dustbin also installed, right?
That's a old dustbin.
I think this one is the newest one
Yeah.
in our group.
Looks like the new one.
Yeah, so we are coming on to it.
I got the gear lock as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, little bit.
Wonderful. So he has this gear lock as well. Okay. Pretty good. Which company?
Gear lock. I forgot the name of the company.
Where did you buy it from?
I bought from Karol Bagh.
Karol Bagh only. Yeah. Karol Bagh is the haven for all the accessories.
Yeah, yeah.
So how many kilometers you have driven so far?
5,500 so far.
5,500. And
I purchased in November last year.
acha, November. So what average you are getting mileage?
I'm getting on an average 13-14 in the city.
Okay.
And on a highway, it goes up to 16-17.
16, 17. Wonderful.
Like I normally prefer to drive on with a heavy foot.
Acha.
So with a heavy foot, I'm getting this one. Quite happy.
Acha. So what if you would want one or two things? What would you want in this car?
In this particular model or in Kia?
In Kia itself, or also if you would wish that this car would have had.
Okay, so I would have preferred one thing is the suspension could be a little softer.
Suspension could have been softer, yes.
So that is one thing. Otherwise, I think overall stability.
How did you find the suspension on the highway?
Highway is quite good.
Really good, very stable,
really
right?
good. Yeah,
Today we drove on the expressway.
Yeah, body
And,
stability is also good because of the
yeah.
stiffer suspension. But
Yeah.
in city, sometimes you feel for a car of this class, a little bit uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there's no problem at all.
Okay.
So suspension otherwise is quite finely balanced. The steering is perfectly balanced. I would say.
Wow.
It's a very nice feel of the steering.
Yeah.
It gets heavy.
And as I know, Pallav has been a real. He has been going to a lot of places also, so he's quite thorough with his car and mechanics. So he's a seasoned guy in our group. So overall, you are really satisfied with the car.
Overall, I'm perfectly satisfied with it.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Just that I feel that this 1.5 engine could be slightly more funkier.
Okay.
But then, considering the size of the vehicle, I think it still delivers a
Yes.
decent performance.
I think even from a safety perspective, Kia is doing really well. We've seen a lot of accidents on the articles and all, but then Kia has always come out good. So
Yeah, I think the body shell stability is great.
really, I think the structure itself is the integrity is really good.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So overall, whatever accidents we have seen, we shared the photos on the group site.
Yeah.
Most of them, I think, drivers or the passengers have
Yes.
come unhurt most
Yes.
of the time. So I think
Yeah.
that's really great
Oh.
about the car. So overall, I'm quite happy with the car.
Wonderful, great, Pallav. Thank you.
Thank you.
So who's next? So why don't you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello, hi everyone. My name is Varun. And
Hi, Varun.
I own a HTK.
Yeah. Varun was, I think, one of the guys who met me on YouTube. And when he saw our last trip, so he's the one, sir, I want to join your group. So I was like, why not, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's
I
really,
was highly motivated when
Yeah.
I saw your video on YouTube. It was
Yeah.
very informative, so I thought to join the group.
thank you. And by the way, this was not scripted, okay?
This is a genuine.
Yeah, so which one? Yours is, I think, oh my god, he's really posed it so well for us. Just look at it.
Yeah, this was
Awesome, yeah, awesome. So, which variant?
So this is the HTK variant.
HTK variant.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have done few modifications, like I have installed a chrome, front grill.
Okay.
The front grill.
So this one?
Yeah, this one. And
one.
I have also wrapped this car with PPF, paint protection film.
PPF, yeah.
PPF, yeah.
Wonderful. So you can see here, since it's a dark color,
Yeah.
so he has
it's
done a PPF.
Yeah, it's a boon for our dark color cars.
Yeah, so you can see, you can make out if it's a PPF. You can see the corner ones will always have a small
Check it
cut.
from here, like from
Yeah.
the door edges.
Even from the door edges also.
Like
But then it's a pure value for money. Honestly, for darker colors, it is really good.
Yeah, so I've installed sun blinds.
Wow. Let me do the front first.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good. So seat covers, he has done it. I think outside.
from aftermarket, yeah.
Aftermarket. The headrest is there, and wonderfully done steering wrap as well. Okay, and of course Lord Ganesha blessing his car. Yeah.
Yeah. And I've also installed foot mats. This I got from Amazon.
Ah, wonderful.
So it really helps to keep that dirt off from going to the floor.
Yeah, nahi acha hai. You have really maintained it so well also. Good. And
Did you purchase the car?
I purchased it in June, so it's like not a brand new car, but it's around 3 months
June?
back I
Acha.
purchased it.
How much is the
So
round?
5,200.
you've done 5,200.
Yeah,
I mean,
on that.
I'm the one who is going lowest, slowest of all, yeah.
So I've also installed STK Plus alloys from the company itself, just
Okay.
to enhance the look of the car.
Okay.
And as an accessory, I've also installed rear
Rear curtain, yeah.
curtain from the Kia showroom itself. So it's really very sturdy and it really helps to.
Wow. And this is the Kia Duster you have taken.
Yes,
as
this
well.
is the Japazzo Duster.
This
Which I
is a
think you
Japazzo?
also-
The
this is
Kia is selling the Japazzo one, or
Yeah,
it is
Japazzo
a.
one.
As a Kia thing only.
Okay.
This is the
Design is
Japazzo
exactly
one
the
only.
same.
So, okay, I get it. Good.
There's a boot mat as
Yeah.
well, and this is the cover.
Parcel tray you got from the
Yeah,
company?
from the company itself.
Okay, it wasn't there initially, yeah.
Yeah,
But then you've seen the.
the other videos.
Yeah. I was just thinking, now we don't get those parcel noise issues, right?
No, I'm not getting it because I've installed thin, just keh sakte hain desi jugaad. Like I've installed a tape, a Velcro tape here.
Actually,
At the
they
back
were
of the seat.
for those people who were new. Actually, there are two noises which were coming. One was from that point, the left side. Now there are two ways to do it. One is, as he mentioned, you do a packing over there. The other one, there is a adjustment screw which is there inside. So if you tell the showroom guys, they will do it. Because for me, initially when I had gone, so they were like perplexed, like what is it? Where is it coming from? So they rolled down the seats, and then they found out that the issue was in the lock. So they did some screw adjustment, and it worked fine. I think that also, because even this is also good, but then what will happen, your packing will get squeezed after usage, and again you'll start hearing some noise. But mostly it helps actually.
Yes.
And also Kia, you've done it or Kia has done it?
No, I have personally done it just for as a safety.
Even I have done a similar setup wherein we have cushion, double-sided cushion, which is just kept.
Okay.
And this is really good because when the tray is actually bouncing off, then it is
Then it
hitting
helps,
this.
yeah, like in speed
plastic
breakers or
in.
potholes. It really helps. To keep
That's
it
that's
down.
really nice. Yeah, that's really nice, Varun. Yeah.
And I also I felt that the cabin is really super silent. There isn't any noise from the engine, say, or just say it from the doors. Also, there is no noise
Yeah.
at all.
When you close the door, it gives a real good
sound,
thud
yeah.
sound actually. Yeah, he's got the rain visors as well.
Visors also, yeah. So you can see it here. I got it aftermarket because it comes with a set of 6.
Yeah, wonderful. This comes with a Seltos badging, and also I think chrome garnish as well. Okay, wonderful. Yeah. So today we had a wonderful trip actually. So how was your experience on the expressway today?
It was amazing. The car
Yeah.
was super smooth.
Yeah.
I was clocking around 110 to 120.
Yes.
But it wasn't felt like that.
Yeah.
That I'm doing that much high speeds.
Yes.
So I'm really happy with the car. I
Yeah.
would say it's super silent. It's
Yeah.
very stable. Even
Yes.
if you are doing cornerings at the speed of 100, 110, you won't feel it that you are driving at that high speed.
Yes.
So I really feel that.
I think for those people who are saying for suspension, actually suspension within city is definitely a little bit on the stiffer side, but on the highway it pays off.
Yes,
It provides
absolutely.
such a wonderful stability.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
And see, whenever anybody comments like it
Yeah.
is on a stiffer side.
Want to join?
So it doesn't mean that it's very stiff, but it is little bit like I would say 10 to 20% more than the Creta if I would compare it with Creta.
Yeah.
But I think this is a boon for those who go mostly on the highways and those who are kind of very much freak about traveling, going to hills and everywhere.
Okay.
So I feel that this is a very good buy for those people.
Yeah.
And even in the city, I didn't feel that it is that stiff, because if you look at the size of the car, it's a chunky car. It's a very big car.
Yeah.
So we definitely need that amount of confidence. And
Yeah.
if the suspension is little bit towards the softer side, then it will definitely bump. Even on the small
Yes.
potholes, there
Yeah.
will be some kind of vibrations or some lag.
Yeah.
So I think that definitely.
Two things you liked about this car and two things you would want it should have had, irrespective of the variant.
Yeah, so I would say that if Kia would have provided me, Bose system on this
Yeah.
car, which I really, because I'm a very, a big music
Yeah.
enthusiast. So if I have paid close about 12 lakhs for this
Yeah.
car, so if Kia would have given it the Bose music system,
Yeah.
because I see that in Sonet, which is a new
Yeah.
model of Kia,
They have started,
They have started
Yeah.
providing Bose in that.
Yeah.
And apart from there, I feel that if they could have provided 17-inch wheels,
Yeah.
so that the ground clearance could have
A
increased.
little bit more, yeah.
Because
and
if I
also it
check-
provides a little bit more stability also.
Yes, that's absolutely
Yeah.
right. Apart from that, I would say two advantages. I would say it's super silent.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm inside, it gives me a feeling that I'm sitting in a very
Luxury
plush
car.
and luxury car,
Yeah.
upmarket feeling it provides. And also the stability.
Yes.
Second, the stability. And also, I'll mention the third point, which is the mileage.
Yeah.
In the city, I am easily getting, this is a 4-cylinder, 1.5 liter engine.
Yeah.
It's a naturally aspirated engine, and I'm getting around 14.5 kilometer of mileage. And
Within
I'm
city, actually. Yeah.
And I'm really very happy. In the
Yeah.
city, I'm getting
Yeah.
that mileage. So
It's a knockoff from, honestly, from the Hyundai cars. Most of the Hyundai cars are getting around 11, 12. But then coming from the same lineage, Kia is, I think, ticked on the right corners. Yeah.
Yeah, you are absolutely.
And what about highway?
On highways, I'm easily on the MID. It shows me 20-20.5.
Yeah.
But
then
I feel that
even on actual also, it's not very
it's
far
not-
off actually.
Yeah, it's around 18.5
Yeah.
on the highways
Yeah.
also.
So which is the longest trip you have done?
I have done from here till Chandigarh.
And what did you get?
I got around 20 to 22.
Oh my God! So you're listening that, right?
Yes, that's right. So
Yeah.
I was really very happy, and that this car was brand new at that time. So
Yeah.
I believe that now since it has.
Yeah, even after first and second service, you're going to get more improvement actually over there. Yes.
That's obvious.
Wonderful. Thank you. Wonderful, yeah.